Hi guys, it's Patrice with fitnessblender.com, and today I have a low impact step workout that is in a board easily format. We do not have a warm up, but I will ease you into the workout, and all of the moves are low impact and joint friendly. If you don't have a step or a bench, I will show you some modifications to just do it on the floor. Go ahead and prepare yourself, get everything you need, and let's get started. All right, guys, welcome to your workout. We're gonna go ahead and get started in just a second. Each exercise is gonna be 45 seconds on with 10 seconds rest. We do not have a formal warm up, but we will ease into the workout, and I will show you some modifications if you don't have a step or a bench. I'm gonna hit the timer, let's go. Little shakeout. We're gonna start with a little toe tap on the bench. So easy peasy toe tap. If you wanna get the arms involved, that's cool too. If you don't have a bench, toe tap forward. All right, let's go, join me. Tap, tap. Go at your own pace. We're just warming up the body. If there's ever a move where you don't have a step or a bench and you don't wanna modify, just go back to this. Tap forward, okay? That can be a nice little in-betweener. Coming up, we have an alternating step up, so up, up, down, down. If you don't have a step or a bench, simply come back, forward, forward, backward, backward, forward, forward, backward, backward, okay? Good job, guys. All right, a little side to side step if you want to continue warming up the body. We're gonna go into a little up, up, down, down. All right, let's go. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Go at your own pace. I don't want to speed you up, and I don't want to slow you down. Make sure that you have a nice, stable base surface. If you're using any type of bench or step up, I keep saying bench, but I mean step. Sorry, guys. You know what I mean. I can just picture you doing this on a park bench with a bunch of people watching. Just kidding. Coming up, we have a knee drive. So you're gonna have your left leg planted, right leg comes up. You're gonna knee drive with the left, come back down and tap, okay? Let's go. Up, drive, down, tap. Up, drive, down, tap. Up, drive, down, tap. If you don't have a bench or a stair, you're gonna go tap, drive, sorry. I didn't think about that. Drive, tap, drive, okay? This takes some coordination, guys, okay? Bear with me. Drive, down, tap. Up, drive, down, tap. Up, drive. Again, I don't wanna slow you down and I don't wanna speed you up, so go at your own pace. All right, back to a little side to side. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Woo! All right, let's go. Right foot is planted, left leg up, right leg comes up, back down, tap. Drive, down, tap. Up, drive, down, tap. Coming up, we have some lunge pulses. You can do this if you don't have your step situation. And 5, 4. Good job, guys. So for the next one, you're gonna be up on your step. You're gonna come down into your reverse lunge. Give me 3 pulses and switch. Join me. Back, knee behind the toe, 3 pulses. Drive up with that planted leg. Back, 1, 2, 3. Up, drive. Make sure your chest is nice and lifted. If this feels uncomfortable or too hard, you can try it on a normal surface. We're gonna go into some lateral lunge pulses coming up. Be mindful of where you step. Good job, guys. Back to that tappity tap. All right, so for the next one foot is on your bench or step. You're gonna go down into your lateral lunge. Knee is behind the toe. Give me 3 pulses. Come back up. 1, 2, 3, up. I'm gonna switch you halfway, okay? Good job, guys. We're gonna switch soon. All right, switch sides. So right leg is up, or opposite leg. You're going 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Good job. It's like you're giving your booty a nice little break when you come up. Good job. Coming up, we have an over step tap. So hop onto your bench. You're gonna come down, up, down, up. We're tapping. We're just going from side to side, okay? If you don't have the bench or step, you can do the same exact thing, side to side. If you wanna go a little quicker, that's cool too. This is a low impact class, so I don't expect you to go full on hops, but if you want to, you can. Good work. All right, we're gonna go into a little straddle squat. Straddle your step. Feet pointed out towards the corners of the room. You're gonna give me some squats, up and down. Try to keep that chest upright and lifted. Squeeze that butt as you come up. Good work. Go nice and slow if you want. If you want to go faster, that's cool too. Your legs are getting a nice little burnout, right? We have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good work. We're going into a little step burpee. So with or without your step, you're gonna go down, hands plant. You're gonna step out, out, in, up, stand. Down, out, in, up, stand, squeeze. Want to give me a calf raise at the top? That's great. All right, we have slow mountain climbers. Same thing. We're gonna hold on to the bench and bring our knees to our chest. So give me a plank. Let's go. Knee to chest. Knee to chest. You can go as slow as you would like. You can also give me a nice little oblique, knee to elbow. Belly button to spine, guys. All right, hopping on up. We're going into a nice little fast feet tap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tap. 2, 3, 4, 5, tap. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tap. 1, 2, 5, tap. If you want to give me actual fast feet, you can. You could also give me a little squat hold with a tap. Squat hold with a tap. Sometimes the fast feet thing for me makes me feel really uncoordinated, so I get it. We have one more move, which is a plank bear step in. A bear plank should be called a blank, right? I kind of like that. All right, so get into your plank. All right, join me. Plank. Bring your knees in, out, out, in, out, out. If you want to do a little hop, you can. Not required. Even holding a plank is all the work you need, so do what variation that works for you today. We have 10. Woo! Good job, guys. We did it. We're going into our little mini cool down, which is going to be back to our step touch and some shoulder rolls. Woo, good job, you guys. How are you feeling? Whether that's your full workout of the day or an add-on workout, I'm so proud of you. Moving your body is the most important thing. Oh. We're gonna go into a nice little forward fold. So go ahead and hinge your hips back. Fold forward. If this is as far as you can get, that's totally fine. Just try to feel that stretch in your hamstrings and your lower back. And breathe, guys. Oh, carefully, gently stand it on up. Let's do a little cross body situation. So bring your arm across your body, pull your shoulder towards you, switch when you're ready. I hope you enjoyed that. Nice little short and sweet workout. All right, bring one of your feet forward, nice and flexed. Let's go ahead and stretch into that hamstring and cap. Should feel good. Whoa, hold your balance, guys. All right, switch now. That step adds like a little extra spice and instability for me. How about you? You guys did it. Awesome work. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. Your workout is complete. Let me know what you think. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.